snowstorm. It's awesome. You could hear it crunching underneath your feet. Wait a minute, I don't want to drop this. Cool. Got my little Debbie hat on. My feet are already wet. I just got out here. That's right, crazy woman. What it is they're looking for a spot. So they think I'm going to a car. So. Oh, it's like, oh my God, this guy just skid with his dog. It's slippery, so the garbage is out. If I would have known that, I would have bring it. So pretty. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Look at the wind. Whoa. It's like sand. We're going to have a lot of drifting. Wow. Cool. It's my birthday. I had to come out. Of course. That's something my eye knows with my glasses. Cool. You can't even see very far. Wow. Cool. It could be. All right. I did it. It's my birthday and I'm outside. Again. Okay, is that the cloud track? No, it's going up the other way. It is freezing. I look so good in red. I really do. Alright. I'm going to turn this off and I'll start taking it. It is really bad, the visual. Whoa, it is totally slippery. And Betty said she put her garbage out. But I didn't know you could. I love that sound though. Listen to it, listen. I love that sound. I love that sound. Wow, it is bad. It is really, really bad. Okay. I got my crown on because this is a once in a lifetime thing. You turn 50 and there's a snowstorm. Storm Gail. Oh yeah, I'm here. I'm 50. Hell yeah. Look at the snow. That's a great shot.